Hi everyone, today I'm going to show you how to make a classic spaghetti dish. Spaghetti is a quick, easy, and affordable meal that can feed a crowd, and it's a staple in many households. Here's what you'll need. 1 pound spaghetti. Water. 2 teaspoons of salt, 1 tablespoon of olive oil, optional. 4 cloves of garlic, minced. 1 can of crushed tomatoes. Salt and pepper to taste. Fresh basil, chopped, optional. Grated Parmesan cheese, optional. Step 1. Fill a large pot with 4 quarts of water and bring it to a boil. Add 2 teaspoons of salt to the water to season it and to help the spaghetti cook evenly. Step 2. Add 1 pound of spaghetti to the boiling water and stir occasionally until the spaghetti is al dente, or cooked to your liking. This will take around 8 to 10 minutes. Step 3. Meanwhile, heat 1 tablespoon of olive oil in a large skillet over medium heat. Add 4 cloves of minced garlic to the skillet and cook until fragrant, around 1 minute. Step 4. Add 1 can of crushed tomatoes to the skillet or pot with the garlic and bring the mixture to a simmer. Season the tomato sauce with salt and pepper to taste. Step 5. Drain the spaghetti and add it to the skillet or pot with the tomato sauce. Toss the spaghetti with the sauce until it's evenly coated. Step 6. Serve the spaghetti hot with grated Parmesan cheese and fresh basil, if desired. And that's it. With these simple steps, you can make a delicious spaghetti dish in just a few minutes. Spaghetti is a versatile meal that can be customized with different sauces, meats, and vegetables to suit your taste. Thanks for watching, and be sure to like and subscribe for more basic tips.